Hey guys, Larry here with Rapid Repair. Do you still have these old recessed light fixtures in your house? They're very dated, ugly, the trims get damaged over time. I'm going to show you how to modernize this with a simple install of a LED kit. This is a modern LED trim light kit. It uses much less electricity than a traditional incandescent light bulb or floodlight. It provides a brighter, clearer light, and again, fraction of the electricity. These modern kits, they actually just come with a screw-in socket. There's no wiring required. This is a very easy method. Okay, start by turning off the power. The trim kit, most of them are simply held on with these fairly inexpensive springs. You want to just reach up there and release the springs. They actually come off pretty easily. You can throw this away. You won't need it for your new LED light. Remove the bulb, and then the new one will screw right in. The power is off. Okay, and then next would be the ground wire will get screwed in. The screw is provided in the kit. I have a nut driver. Okay, the ground screw is tight. Make sure your wires are tucked in there nicely. Grab the spring-loaded clips, and there's a bracket inside that you're going to insert them right in the center, and when you release, they just catch on their own. It's a pretty neat design. This way you're able to pop the light fixture back up, and if you ever have to remove it to replace or service it, you simply just pull it right back down and release the spring clips again. Okay, we're done with the installation. We're going to pop it back up. Much cleaner look and better look than the old-fashioned recessed lights. And again, it's LED, so it uses a fraction of the electricity. Go ahead and turn on the lights and look at that for the finished look.